Yeah, so Wake County is not known to be a plaintiff-friendly jurisdiction. We will get plaintiffs' verdicts fairly regularly, but it's just not any of the good size plaintiff verdicts. So I think we had a couple of things going for us in that case. We had really horrible facts, but also the presentation was just it went really, really well. We had a whole lot of child protective services reports in that case that we were able to get into evidence and then use and just call out specific things that it just told a story to the jury that I suppose we maybe if time was not an issue could have told the same story in foam boards, but it was so easy, and especially these defendants, they just wanted to lie. So we just kept just hitting them with the documents that contradicted their lies. And that part was huge. The judge really liked the software that we were using. The jury just kind of lapped it up. And from that point forward, I was hooked. We talked to some of them afterwards, and it's we lose a fair amount of cases because we tried difficult cases. But one thing that from kind of that point on, we always get a lot of style points because the software just really it helps. So even if we don't win the case, they're always impressed with the way that we present the case.